Attention to all matcha lovers. I just found this new cafe that serves amazing matcha and what for me is the best matcha soft serve ice cream I've ever had in this city. Plus, meron pang ibang mga desserts and coffee that you can enjoy.
Marcus, do you like matcha?
Yeah.
Do you want to have more matcha in a cafe? What?
This is Hakone Coffee and Ice Cream located sa may Friendship Highway katabing-katabi ng Shuhan, open from 12 noon up until 9 p.m. Halos bagong bukas lang to at nagsisimula ng dumami yung mga customers nila. Gumagawa sila ng mga Japanese-inspired desserts, coffee at yung mga sobrang trending recently na croffles. Ito yung mga in-order natin for today at sisimulan natin dito sa matcha soft serve ice cream. Ang ginamit nila dito ay ceremonial grade matcha and you can really tell by the taste and it's really good. Pag tinry nyo tong lugar na to, make sure you order this. Meron din tayo ditong hot coffee para sa mga hindi mahilig sa dessert drinks. Ako naman, iced yung drink na in-order ko. This is called Caramel Fredo. Tapos etong Hakone latte nila guys, it's so interesting kasi yung sinkers niya ay warabi mochi. They're super chewy and if you ask me, they're infinitely better than boba. For desserts, we're having Daifuku. Itong nauna has like dulce de leche and cereal. So it gives you a really good crunch which is a good contrast doon sa outer layer niya na mochi. This next one naman is ube cheese. Look how stretchy that is. Perfecto para dun sa mga mahilig sa mix of sweet and salty in every bite. But my favorite has got to be this chocolate mochi because it has that silky smooth chocolate cream on the inside, that dark chocolate mochi layer and dusted with some cocoa powder. Si mama naman, as always, anything strawberry flavored is a yes for her. Dito naman tayo sa mga croffles. The first one we're having has Biscoff and consistent to everything we ordered today. Lahat is very mildly sweet lang so hindi sasakit ang ngipin nyo. Etong susunod naman yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng croffles nila. This is savory, meron siyang mayo, imitation crab and nori on top. Sobrang gusto ko to kaya lang nakaisang kagat lang ang tita nyo kasi inubos ng pamangkin. Ang sarap din itong strawberry cheesecake flavor pero alam nyo na kung sino ang uubos niyan. This next one madalas nakikita ko lang sa TV pero ngayon matitikman ko na. Ito yung warabi mochi. So these are slices of sticky mochi covered in what I think is toasted soybean flour, drenched in syrup. Ang sarap pala nito. Super nakaka-enjoy siyang kainin. This last one naman yung madalas na pinang-front at nagte-trending sa mga Japanese dessert bars. Yung soft serve that is covered in mochi. Hakone Coffee and Ice Cream is another gem that I'm excited for you guys to try. Ito yung mga dessert and drinks na talagang hindi nakakasawa at sigurado ako pag sinubukan nyo to, ma-enjoy nyo rin.